my journey to your skin, with my hands and with my eyes. I've traveled and arrived. I was lonely, I was cold. There was nowhere near to hold. Then my journey did begin.
It definitely feels like I've surfed for 3 hours. I'm exhausted. How does it feel? Yeah, it feels great. Family, friends, support here. The main thing is the CO CDF charity drive won on the day, so it's a win-win, and I'm very stoked.
I belong when I'm there and you are here.